Next in our GM Truck series, we're going to talk about our 95 to 96 Chevy and GMC Truck dash covers. This generation dash has a lot of issues, from cracking, caving in, or just generally falling apart. Now I'm going to talk about our DashSkin and why it's the best solution. First, as always, our factory match colors set us apart as a company, and as you can see here, the match is pretty darn close. Close enough that most passengers won't even notice a difference. This cover is also meant to be installed with the front dash bolts and cup holder insert removed so that they can be reinstalled over top of the dash cover, making this finished product look like a brand new dash. This is especially useful if your mounting area is cracked or busted out on your dash. And next, we have easy access to the fuse panel because the fuse panel reinserts right over the edge of this dash cover. Anyone at any skill level can tackle this project, even your grandma. Best of all, this is guaranteed for life to not crack, warp, or fail on you. Go check us out, DashSkin.com.